Hi guys, welcome to the Pencil Design. My name is Vinay, and in today's class, we are going to discuss a very important topic that is one point perspective, practical part, how to draw the one point perspective. ये आपके निफ्ट एग्जामिनेशन आर्किटेक्चर एनआईडी सभी एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल what is the most important thing for you is to make the outlines, two vertical and two horizontal lines, right? Clear? This is the space we have. Now, what I'm going to do in the next part, I will draw something by using one point perspective. That can be a room or something like that. So let's get started now. So I'm making an interior. What I'm going to do here, somewhere else. It depends. What do you want to make? So I'm making the wall first of all. So this is slightly different. आप लाइंस देख सकते हो क्लियरली इसमें क्या मैंने लाइंस यूज करी हैं. So let me explain you this thing first of all. This line is the diagonal line, right? This line is a vertical line. This is again a vertical line, and this is a horizontal line. So this is a 2D shape by using horizontal, vertical, and diagonal line. Now, what I'm going to do here, I would like to make an entrance. Door and a window with the help of vertical and horizontal lines. Vertical, 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 and one more vertical, right? So there are 4 lines. Let me remove the extra lines. So this is the space I have taken. Now the next step is very important to find out or to point out your vanishing point. I'm making this vanishing point here. This is VP, vanishing point, right? Now I am going to use this vanishing point from each of the corner to convert the space into an interior. So this is a line going towards the vanishing point. आपको अंदर बिल्कुल ड्रॉ नहीं करनी है लाइन. You will just make sure the direction of this line is towards the vanishing point, right? Now I'll use the same vanishing point and this corner will make one line like this. And do the same thing in the right hand side. So this is the space we have. Clear? Now, if I think I want to extend the space, what I will do for this, I'll make one more vertical line over here and will add two HLs, means horizontal lines from the bottom and the top corners. So I'm going to start with the bottom corner as well as from the top corner by using this roll and draw scale. Extra lines not needed. So सबसे important चीज होती है आपकी, like whenever you are making something like this, you guys need to make very light lines. Okay. So now you can see this clearly. The space has been increased now. Okay. Now we can add other details or we can add some other articles into it. Like for example, if I want to add a table over here. So what I will be doing for that? Horizontal line. two horizontal lines I added. Now I'm using vanishing point. So ये वाला line जा रहा है आपका towards the vanishing point. This is as well towards the vanishing point, like this. Make a connection, and this one also. So this is might be a computer table or a study table, right? A drawer we can add over here. Okay. We'll convert this into 3D later. Now I would like to add a chair, because ऐसे questions आते हैं generally for architects for NATA JEE paper 2 examination, where they will ask you to make a interior of a study room or living room or a bedroom. A rectangle, VP line, and one more VP line. Right, so this is a 2D image of a chair. We will convert this into 3D. Don't worry about that. Now, what else can we add in this picture? There are a lot of things that we can add, like table, chair, other interior appliances, paintings, windows, doors. A lot of things are there. I'm going to add one more door here. ये किसी दूसरे रूम के लिए है. Right? A 2D image of the door. Now, what I am going to do here, I can extend the space in a very aesthetical or interesting manner. As you guys know, in the first lecture, we discussed that there are three lines: vanishing point lines, vertical lines, as well as the horizontal line. If you know these three lines, you can create almost everything. Apart from these three lines, horizontal, vertical, and vanishing point lines, आप लोग use कर सकते हो diagonal या curve lines की. Depend, again, what you are going to make, what is important for you. Okay. Now let me remove the extra line we have here. This one. We might put any window over here in the right hand side or anything else. I will not make it very difficult. I'll make it easy so that you guys can understand. Only in this picture, only this line is the diagonal line. Apart from this, all the lines are vertical, horizontal, and the vanishing point line. Easy. Now let me add the floor. That might be a wooden floor or floor tiles. All the lines I'm making here coming from the point That is the vanishing point. And this drawing is we are doing in 1 point perspective. One point perspective, right? Now, let me do one thing that is going to be very, very interesting. मैं इस door को 3D में convert कर दूंगा. So it's just a 2D by 2 vertical and 1 horizontal line. I'll make sure that this door should look quite 3D. So this is the frame. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use this vanishing point. And I have drawn literally a door, a wooden door, maybe made of plastic, wooden, or anything else, any other material. We can do the same thing with this picture, with this door. Extra lines, we're gonna remove. You guys can do the same thing with the window. You'll convert first from line drawing to 2D image. And I'll make the sliding wala door. Slider. Later we can remove the vanishing point, but not in the starting. Okay. This is a drawer coming out. Now we can add a lot of things, even though the flooring ये भी अच्छा है, आप इसे और ज़्यादा एडवांस डिज़ाइंस बना सकते हो, like the wooden floor. Depends on the design what you prefer. Like this. If you guys wanting to put any kind of painting on the wall, that is also possible. Vertical line, and the horizontal lines. This is a frame I have drawn by using two vertical and two horizontal lines. So like 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical and 4 horizontal lines. Now you can add any kind of abstract painting. I'm using wooden pencil. Like this, or any kind of painting you can add, whatever you prefer. Here we can add a little bit 3D detailing in the chair. Maybe this is a chair made of plastic, a study chair. Or also, we can add some articles on this table, such as I'm adding a laptop over here. I drawn the lines, vanishing point one से आ रही हैं जो, and this is a horizontal line, right? You can add whatever you prefer, you want to add. Might be some books. So to add the books, I am going to make the cuboid. Later we'll convert that into a book or notebook or anything like that. I will remove extra lines so that your books will be more visible. For ceiling also we can add the details, but we'll discuss in the upcoming classes that how to add a lot of other details in the ceiling part. So this was the very basic and first practical class of one point perspective. I hope you guys enjoyed this class, and you have to do a lot of practice for learning this very well. We have interiors, exteriors, as well as the objects in this one point perspective. So fine, this is the end of this class. I hope you like this class. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a very wonderful day.